Welcome back. Welcome to lesson one of finding your niche with AI. I'm Bob Kane, as you know, and today we're going to clear up one of the biggest sources of confusion for beginners. What is niche, actually, and why is it the key to earning online? You need to start thinking of your business like planting seeds. You can toss seeds everywhere and hope they grow. Or you can plant the right seed in the right soil and watch it thrive. The right soil, that's your niche. What's the difference between a topic and a niche? Topic is very broad, like health, money. Niche zooms in, simple fitness for people over 60, retirement income for beginners. When you narrow your focus, people immediately know this is for me. When I first started, I was in my scattergun phase. I tried every program, every platform, and talked to everyone. You know who listened? No one. The moment I focused on helping people like me, folks 50 plus, who weren't tech savvy, everything changed. Clear niche builds trust fast. It makes your message simple. You don't have to be an expert on everything. And it draws in the people who already need what you have to offer instead of chasing strangers. Let's see what AI can do to help us. We're ready to dive into ChatGTP. So, come up here to your command line at chatgtp.com and you hit enter. And you're there. You're in ChatGTP. No login, no email. It will eventually ask you to sign up, which is fine. It's still free. Costs a thing. There are, of course, upgraded versions. But now, what we want to do, we want it to tell us about a niche. So we're going to ask it to explain what a niche is in simple terms for someone over 60 who wants to make money now. Then you type that in or any variation you want. You hit enter. Actually, you hit the little up arrow. And out it comes with an explanation. Right? But you read it and you say, oh, that's just way too formal for what I want. I want something that's friendlier. So we're going to type in a second prompt. Make it like friendly advice coach. In up arrow. Okay. See, ChatGTP will start asking you a question like, how's that? So if you don't like it, tell it how you would like it changed. The more detail you give it, the better job it can. I hope you enjoyed your first exploration into chat. Play around with it, make it do more versions. I want to tell my 6-year-old grandson whatever you want and see how it works. But that's it for now. We will do more, believe me. We will do much more with ChatGTP in the near future. So now let's get back to the course. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your first ChatGPT experience and you get an idea how powerful it can be. Now it's time to open your workbook and jot down things that you're interested in, things that you can do, your skills, and problems you've solved in the past. Don't overthink it. Just first things that come to your mind. Progress beats perfection every time. The workbook is a living document. It will change over time. We'll be back. You'll add, you'll subtract. Okay? All right. This is the part where you start to build your foundation. Pause the lesson, 5-10 minutes. Open your workbook. List your interest, skills, real life problems you've overcome. These notes are going to guide everything we do next. But don't skip this step. You're not choosing a niche today, you're simply exploring ideas. This is about discovery, not decision. Progress starts. Lesson 2, we'll explore your interests and strengths, and we'll use AI to uncover hidden ideas you may never have thought of. You're one step closer to building your income system the simple way. See you in lesson 2.